water got to Earth?
I guess through atoms creating new elements combining together into different substances, and one of those would be water.
How do you think water came to Earth?
My guess would be, so I'm a big bang guy, so I would say it developed through the combustion of like molecules from the beginning of the universe.
How do you think water came to the Earth?
Chemical reaction.
Meteor.
Yeah, meteor.
Meteors.
Space, the final frontier. It's our future, but it's also our past. Our solar system was once a dust and gas cloud in the emptiness of space. Each atom has a small gravitational force that keeps electrons in orbit, and those small gravitational forces attract other atoms. This creates small clumps of gases in the cloud of gas particles and dust. The clumps transform into dense cores or protostars, and the cloud flattens into a disk around the core. The disk then condenses into different planets that orbit the dense core of the star.
The Earth is a Goldilocks planet, a definition derived from the fairy tale describing a planet that is a distance from a star for the water on the surface of the planet to be liquid water.
Water is the key to finding other Goldilocks planets, but first we need to understand how water arrived on Earth, otherwise known as the water trail. Scientists have created two theories, chemical inheritance and chemical reset, as ways water could have been formed. In the chemical inheritance theory, water formed in the interstellar medium and transformed to the protoplanetary disk, the disk surrounding a protostar, and all planets created from the protoplanetary disk have water without the water going through chemical changes. In the chemical change reset theory, the water molecules in the protoplanetary disk are broken up due to the heat in the protostar and reform after the protoplanetary disk cools down.
The difference between the two theories is the amount of regular water and semi-heavy water found on a planet. Semi-heavy water is an H2O molecule, but one of the hydrogen atoms is a deuterium atom. A regular hydrogen has a proton in the nucleus, but a deuterium has a proton and a neutron in the nucleus, making it heavier than a regular hydrogen. In chemical inheritance, there will be 1,000 times more semi-heavy water created than a semi-heavy water created in a chemical reset.
Comets and asteroids have the same ratio as chemical inheritance, but Earth's ratio is between the inheritance ratio and the reset ratio. This means the leading theory of water arriving on Earth due to an asteroid hitting Earth is only partially correct.
FU Orionis is a type of young star that consumes matter around 100 times faster than other young stars. So the protoplanetary disk around an FU Orionis is so hot that the ice turns into water vapor. This would allow scientists to measure the ratio between semi-heavy water and regular water in a protoplanetary disk. After watching a certain FU Orionis star named V883 Ori, scientists discovered that the ratio between semi-heavy and regular water is the same as comets and chemical inheritance. This proves that water appears on planets due to chemical inheritance and not chemical reset. Although Earth's ratio of semi-heavy water to regular water is less than the ratio on comets and chemical inheritance and more than chemical reset, which forces scientists to look for more ways that water could have appeared on Earth.